Hello and welcome to WKP. This is the how to use the WKP weather website.com. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So to access the WKP weather website, all you have to do is type in WKP weather center into Google and press enter. Next, you'll see home my site 1 wix.com. Click on that and it'll bring you to the WKP weather center. On the home page, you'll see home, storm predictions, the about page, my blog, and websites used. We'll be going over exactly what those individual areas mean of the website and also what you can find on those pages. On the home page, you can find my blog posts, which are my weather forecasts, and you can also find the About Me page if you scroll down a little more. And you can also find quick web navigation, which is all the pages on this website, or you can use this area up here to access those pages. On the storm predictions page, you can find my latest videos on storm systems. The last video I made, as you can see, was on a strong squall line that moved through North Carolina that brought some very bad weather into the area. On the About page, you can find all what my website is about and what, basically just what it's about. On my blog page, you can find all my weather forecasts. And on my websites used page, you can find all the websites I've used and click these buttons to access the websites. Now, on every single page, except the home page, you can find the back to home button. If you click that, it'll bring you right back to the home page, and this is a little better feature on mobile phone. Right now we'll go over how do you use mobile phone WKPweathercenter.com. So on mobile phone, as you can see, it's just a slight little bit different. There is quick web navigation here, which is all my pages on this website, or you can click up here for all these single pages. This quick web navigation is easier to use. On the home page and all other pages, everything is practically the same, with just a few minor deviations to make it easier for use. Now, if you want me to make this website easier to use or have any suggestions, please comment them down below. Thank you for watching this video, and what you can find on the weathercenter.com, WKPweathercenter.com, is extended predictions based off of what my new videos are, or if I'm not able to make a video, I'll be able to post something on the website. So please check out the website, and if you have any suggestions for making it easier to use, comment them down below, and I will be periodically updating the website to make it better for use. Thank you for watching. This has been WKP.